In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a new page and add it to your navigation using Google Sites. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to design simple yet functional websites without needing extensive knowledge in web development. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google site. If you're unfamiliar, you can simply type in Google Sites into your search engine or go directly to sites.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Google account if you haven't already. This is your gateway to start creating and customizing your website. If you're new to this platform, you'll likely be presented with a choice to either start from a blank template or use one of Google's pre-existing templates. For our purposes, either choice is fine, as we can add our pages to any setup. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll notice a menu bar. Find the Pages tab, as this is where you'll manage all your web pages. Click on it, and a list of your current pages will appear. To create a new page, look for the plus icon, often located toward the bottom or near the top of this list. Clicking on this icon will give you the option to create a new page. Select that option, and you'll be prompted to name your new page. Give it a descriptive name, one that clearly represents its content or purpose, as this will also appear in your site's navigation. Once you've named your new page, simply hit Done, and voila! Your new page is ready and automatically added to the navigation bar at the top of your website. This seamless integration helps keep your site organized and ensures that visitors can easily navigate through your content without missing a beat. If you want to verify, just head back to your site's main preview, where you'll see the new page reflected in the main navigation bar. Before finishing, take a moment to explore the different layout options and design features Google Sites offers for each page. This way, you can ensure that your new page not only fits well within your site's theme, but also offers a visually appealing and functional experience for your visitors. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to web design. And there you have it, a simple guide to adding an additional page to your Google site. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident in your ability to expand your website. Don't hesitate to explore other features and options within Google Sites, as it's a robust platform capable of much more. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials in the future.